Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now today we're going to be doing a tour of the Sanna T6.1 that's behind me. It's absolutely beautiful inside. It's just been finished and I'll give you a tour, show you the toilet in the back, show you the sort of gas stove, show you the two single beds that are in the front of this one, unlike the last one we did that had the one single bed. This is almost what you would call a complete Sanna without any bits taken off. So it's really nice. So let's jump in and have a look. Just before we jump in, a quick reminder, if you'd like to please join the Jerba Campervan owners group and also subscribe if you haven't already. There's a lot of people out there that we can see haven't subscribed that are watching our videos, so please subscribe so you can get notified for when we do videos like this. So we'll jump in just now and I'll give you a quick tour of the Sanna. So this Sanna has been built on a brand new T6.1 body. It's a brand new bespoke camper van that we've built for the customer. They've chose our Sanna layout and we then talk about the things that they'd like inside that layout. So would they like gas cooking? Would they like a diesel hob? Would they like hot air blown heating? That sort of stuff, leather seats. And we can do all those kind of things. That is the bespoke element of our conversions. So this one's really nice. They've gone for the bricks fabric. It's a new T6.1 fabric. It's really nice. And we've had the rib seats trimmed in the back. So they match and they look great. And we showed you the ribs before, but just a quick demo as well while we're here. So very simple. With the single ribs, they flip over just like that. And then you've got all this storage space inside. We keep the jack in there. And all you've got to do is pull the lever. The back drops down. Push down your sort of pillow area. There's a packing piece that goes on the front seat. And then you've got a nice single bed. Now the last one that we had a look at didn't have a seat in this side, it just had one single here, and that's because we were fitting a dog crate in that one. So another kind of bespoke element to that camper van. But this one I'll just show you while we're here. You want to flip it, very quick to do, pull the lever, and you've got two single beds, really comfortable, a good size. Now there is the option with these single ribs to put them on rails so they both pull in together and they make one double. This one doesn't have it fitted, but it is something that is available and it can be quite nice. I'll just flip these back over, show you how quick it is to do so. You can hear them clicking in there. So if you want to come round to the back, we'll start having a look at some of the cabinets in here. So one of the big features of the Sanna is the fact that it has a fixed toilet in the back, and I'll just show you that. It's really simple. You can just lift up the lid here and pop the side down. What you can then do is spin the toilet out, lift the lid, and there you have your fixed toilet. Now this one has an electric flush too, just a little button on the top there. I won't do it, but that then flushes down into the cassette at the bottom here. And what you can do is just open the access door, and I can't see it from here, but there we are. You can just unclip the cassette, empty it at the campsite, put it all back in. So it's really nice and simple to use. And if you'd like a little bit of privacy, what we've done in the Sanna is we've incorporated a bifold door into the wardrobe door. So what you can do is flip it out and over. This one hasn't been finished yet, so it doesn't have the clip that holds it in, but you then clip in the door, and if you imagine the roof's down or someone in the front is sat reading their book, no one's going to see you in the back. Just a little bit of added privacy. And inside the wardrobe, we've got loads of storage space. We've got our packers for the front seats. We've also got our curtains for the front window. And we've got this, which is the, I'll just pop it out, which is the ladder for the roof bed. Now the roof bed is the upstairs sleeping in this camper van, and I've opened it the wrong way, so I'll just flip it over. Now if you come in, you might be able to see this a little bit better, but basically just want to pull the roof bed down. I'll come out, clip in the ladder, and then just simply make your way up into the upstairs sleeping arrangement, making this a 4-berth instead of a 2-berth. And to put it away, it's really quite simple, it just pushes away just like that. So I'll just sit this up here for now. And On this one, we've got loads of storage space. It's one of the reasons why these camper vans are really popular. The Sanna layout, that is. In the top, we've just got all our cables for hooking up, that sort of stuff. And more storage space in there. We've got a tripod leg for the table. Now, all these vans come with 2 tables, and they're all neatly folded away, so that's why you can't see them. One goes over the front seats. Well, they both go over the front seats, but they store in different locations. And this one has gas, so we've got a big gas locker in the back here, a metal locker that we have made for us, which is super safe, and that fits 2 gas bottles in it, so you can always be sure that you've got a spare gas bottle. Now, if you can sort of come in, I'll show you just the 3-burner gas hob and the hot and cold water sink. This one has what's called a Webasto thermal top. I now believe it's called an Evo top maybe. And that's basically a heat exchanger which makes hot water. So this van does have hot and cold water, which is a really nice little touch. You can see the vent for that just down there. That vent vents out hot air, so it's both hot water and hot air heating for in the van. So it's a really nice little touch. Now, we've got a fridge in this one, so I'll just open it up. And a little freezer box at the top, so you can freeze some stuff, ice cubes, that kind of thing. And you know, you can have your milk or your beers, your bottle of wine, whatever you'd like in the fridge there, and that will run comfortably all night. It doesn't make any noise. It's on just now, you can't hear it. So this has been done in Puntanella, which is all grey. It's really, really nice finish because the van is black and we've got black curtains. So a beautiful layout in here. It's looking really, really good. And of course, all the front seats in our camper van swivel, so that's really nice too. This has just been a quick tour of this camper van, just to give you another little demonstration of the Sanna and show you the kind of things that we produce here. Hopefully you've liked it, you've liked seeing this layout. We've got another really exciting van coming up next, so make sure you subscribe to have a look at that. It's got a lithium battery system, which is really exciting. Loads of people have been waiting to hear about it. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.